Hey everyone, Abners Reviews here, and today we are looking at this ORICO 2.5 inch HDD enclosure. Okay, so as you can see, aside from our HDD enclosure right here from ORICO, it also comes with a protective bag right here with their brand as well. So I think this is a zipper bag of some sort. So here's the ORICO HDD enclosure right here. If you remember before, we have unboxed and reviewed another one of these, a variation of this one. If you want to check that out, you can click the link right here and on our video description. That one is also from ORICO, but this one, as you can see, it has a new design right there. It's like this one would be like a cassette tape in a sense, as you can see from the box right here. And this boasts of 5 gigabytes per second transfers from the enclosure right here. It is USB 3.0 and you don't need any tools to assemble it. And it supports 2.5 inch hard disk drives or SSDs. If you want to check ORICO out on their website right there, there's a QR code you can scan on the bottom right of the box. So we have some user manual right here from ORICO, the USB 3.0 cable right here, so that is our USB 3.0 cable right here. So this one is the regular USB interface, and this is the one that connects to our enclosure right here. And we also have these stickers which we can use on our HDD enclosure so that it would look like the one pictured in our box right here, like a cassette tape, right? I believe there are a number of variations we can do. Here we have the protective bag right here from ORICO. We have zipper on the sides right here, right there with the ORICO logo as well. So you just open that like so, and on the inside, I believe this is where we would be placing our HDD enclosure right here. This is a garter material right here. It stretches right there. And we can put some tools here on this mesh-like pocket right here on the other side. And let us open our enclosure right here. So here's our actual HDD enclosure right here. So right off the bat, it really looks like a cassette tape. On this side right here, and it looks like these are for ribbons, right? Like from the normal cassette tapes we have back in the day. So on the top side right here with the chipboard right there, as you can see, so that is where we would be attaching an HDD or an SSD, a 2.5 inch one of course, because a bigger one will not fit this enclosure. So on this side also, that is where you would be connecting our USB 3.0 connector right here. So that's our I/O or input and output port right there. So to open the enclosure, make sure that the I/O is on top right here. So this one right here on the front slides down like so. So you can push it here, and this one should slide down like so, and you can open it that way. So that is our SATA interface right there, attached of course on our board and our I/O. So I have an old 2.5 HDD right here. still SATA interface, as you can see, right? So we would now install it on our ORICO HDD enclosure. So the interface on the HDD right here should just be lined up to the interface on our enclosure right there. So the SATA interfaces on both our items right here should coincide like so. There. You can see right there, right? I just push it in a little bit so it can snap into place. There. So I think it's pretty snug right there. Maybe you don't need the cushion after all. Okay, so at this point, all we need to do is slide our other piece of enclosure, which we have opened earlier, on top of this one. So as you can see, there's a sliding point right here. All we need to do is snap this into place. Just push this forward, I/O on this side, and there we go. So that's how easy it is, guys. So that is now installed. All we need to do to use this one is plug in our USB 3.0 plug or cord or cable right here on top of our enclosure, like so. And there we go. All we need to do to use this one is to plug it in any of our USB 3.0 compatible interfaces from our machine, and we should be able to use this one like an external drive right here. We didn't forget about the stickers. Time to design this one, right? Out of the stickers we have available right here, we have chosen to use this one right here for both the sides of our HDD enclosure. So there we go, guys. That looks good, right? Yeah, so that looks good. So it really looks like a cassette tape, right? So there you go. And of course, do not forget that we have received a free bag from ORICO. So thanks you guys for providing us with a free storage protective bag right there. So there you go, guys. Hope you like our quick unboxing and review of this ORICO HDD enclosure right here. If you have inquiries or comments, please put them down below. Please do not forget to like and comment on our videos. If you haven't subscribed already, please consider subscribing to Abners Reviews. Click the notification bell, select all, so you'll get notified when we upload another one of our tech reviews right here, as well as our normal video uploads. Also follow us on our social media links right here. That's been it. This is Abners Reviews, and I'll catch you guys on the next one.